Hi everybody, and once again welcome to Pankaj's Echelon Tutorials. And this is a continuation video. I think we were doing this paper 1112. I'll write that for you. Paper 1112 and paper 2 we were doing of October 2016 checkpoint. Okay. Now this is for the secondary one that we were solving this paper, and already we had solved some question number 1 to question number 10. So today we are going to start from question number 11. Okay, so let us get started. Now question number 11 says that a pie chart, there are in fact two pie charts, they show the color of the men's coat and the women's coat sold in a shop last Thursday. This is a pie chart which is giving you information about the colors of the men coat sold last Thursday, and this pie chart is giving you information of the woman's coat sold last Thursday, the different colors, right? So the total number of coats sold for in the case of men was last Thursday was 76, and in the case of women it was 108. Fine. Ahmed says that last Thursday the shop sold more women's black coat than the men's black coat. So you have to put a tick mark to show if Ahmed is correct. I mean, whether Ahmed is telling you whether Ahmed's statement is correct. So put yes. If it is incorrect, put no. And if you cannot tell, then put a tick mark over here in the third box. Okay, and you have to give the reason for the same. So that's the question. So what Ahmed says is last Thursday the shop sold more women black coat than men's black coat. Okay. So let us try to see. Total 76 coats were sold in the men's category. Okay. So 76 were sold in the men's category. And out of this, can you see this black in the pie chart? The half of the circle is black. So the half of this 76 coats sold was black, okay, for the men's coat. Okay, so 76 divided by 2 is how much? So it works out to 76 upon 2 should be 38, right? So 38 men's black coat were sold, isn't it? Right. Now same way, out of 108, again here also half of the circle is showing you that the black coats were sold. So 108 divided by 2, that works out to around 54. So this tells you that 54 women's black coat were sold, isn't it? Now, Ahmed told that last Thursday the shop sold more women's black coat than the men's black coat. And according to Ahmed, it's correct because women's 54 black coats were sold and men's 38 black coats were sold. Okay. And 54 is greater than 38. So whatever Ahmed says, that statement is absolutely correct. So we can put a tick mark over here at yes. Okay. So that's the answer, and this is the explanation. Okay, give the reason for your answer. So the reason can be written as half of 76 codes is less than half of 108 codes, isn't it? Half of 108 is 54 codes, and this half of 76 is 38 codes. So 38 is less than 54, and this happens to be the statement. Okay, so therefore men's coat black less than women's coat, isn't it? And that's what the statement says. The women's black coat were more than the men's black coat. Okay, so that's the answer for this question number 11. Let us move on to question number 12. Question number 12 says that a graph shows the number of hours of the sunshine for the first 6 days, for the 6 days in November. Okay, so some chosen days of November are 6th November, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, and 11th. And these are the hours of the sunshine on those days. Okay, represented by the bar chart. Now, the mean number of hours of sunshine for the 6 days is 4.5. So, for all the 6 days, the mean is 4.5. Calculate how many hours of sunshine there was for 10th of November. For this 10th of November, you'll have to tell how much is the sunshine. So, these are six values 1, 2, 3, 4. This 10th November value is unknown. So, let us take that value as x, right? And the mean is given as 4.5. So all you can do is this is 2, this is 4, this is 5, this is 8, this is x, and this is 3. Okay. So when you add all this, that is 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 8 plus x plus 3, and divide everything, the sum, if you divide by 6, that should give you mean. So this upon 6 equal to 4.5. This is the statement you get. And if you work out this, this will come out to 24 plus x equal to 6 into 4.5, right? And x will be equal to this 6 into 4.5 happens to be 27. And this 22, when it comes on this side, it will become minus 22. So you get x equal to 27 minus 22, which is equal to 5. So this unknown value, that is the number of hours of sunshine for the 10th November, is nothing but 5 hours. So the answer will be 5 hours. Okay. Let us move on to the next question, that is 13th. There are three people, Mario, Franco, and Gina. Okay, they share 153 batches in the ratio 2:3:4. Work out the how many batches Mario gets. Okay, so Mario will get 2 divided by the total of these ratios, that is 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9. So 2 upon 9 of the total batches 153. So the equation will be 2 upon 9 into 153, which works out to 34. So Mario has to get 34 batches, right? That's the answer for the 13th question. 14th. Now Raj has a present to wrap, and he has a choice of 3 colors for wrapping the gift box. Okay, he has 3 options of blue, red, and green. And for ribbon, to tie the ribbon, he has 2 options of yellow and green color. Okay, so the gift box can be wrapped either in blue, red, or green color, and the ribbon can be used either yellow or green color. Okay, so that's the information given. Now Raj chooses to wrap this gift, okay, with the paper and the ribbon at random. Okay, so complete this table to show all the possible color combinations. So you may need to write all the possible combinations. So see, the first combination will be, you can take this blue, okay, blue color ka paper to wrap the gift box. And being done that, you can choose the color for ribbon as yellow or green. So your box will be either blue, yellow, and or blue, green. So wrapping paper can be blue and the ribbon will be yellow, and wrapping paper will be blue and the ribbon will be green. So this is one thing they have shown you. Now, what are the other possibilities? The other possibility is red color paper you can choose for wrapping. So if he chooses red color, so this has been shown over here. Blue, yellow, blue, green. Blue, yellow, blue, green. Now the same way you can write red. You can use the red paper to wrap, and the ribbon you can choose either yellow or green. You can write here red and then yellow, and again red and green, isn't it? This is the second possibility. The third one is you can choose the green color for wrapping. Okay. And for ribbon, you can use yellow. And again, the green color for wrapping, and the ribbon you can use is green. Okay. So these are the different possibilities in which you can gift wrap the box. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 possibilities, right? Now, the question asked is, write down the probability that the ribbon is the same color as the wrapping paper. So out of this 6, this is the case where the ribbon and the wrapping paper both are of the same color. Okay, that is green. So out of these 6 different possibilities, one is the one which you want. Okay, so this is 1 by 6. So probability will be 1 by 6. The probability of same color uh, probability of same color for wrapping and ribbon will be equal to 1 by 6. So the answer will be 1 by 6. So let us move on to next one. Question number 15. It's very simple. Simplify t into t into t into t. So you have multiplied t 4 times. So this should be t raised to 4. Now this is 3r square and then minus r square. So 3r minus r square plus 5r plus 3r. So let us take the like terms first. Minus r square and 3r square are the like terms. So this can be reduced to minus r square plus 3r square will be 2r square. Okay. And then again, this is another pair of like terms, that is 3r and 5r. So 3r plus 5r will work out to 8r. So you have to write that 8r. So the answer will be 2r square plus 8r. That was question number 15. Coming to question number 16. You have to put a tick mark, okay, uh, about this number 6. So there are some statements made. So you have to put a tick mark against a statement which is correct. Okay. And for false statement, you should not put any tick mark. That's the question. So about this number 6. So 6 is a multiple of 12. So is 6 a multiple of 12? I don't think it's a multiple of 12. So this I'm not going to put a tick mark. Okay. 6 is a factor of 12 in fact. So this is not a correct statement. So I'm not putting a tick mark. 6 is a factor of 18. Yes, it is a factor of 18. So I'll put a tick mark. 6 is a prime factor of 30. Now 6 is a factor of 30, but it isn't a prime number. 6 is not a prime number. So this statement is also not correct. 6 is not a prime factor of 30. So I'll not put a tick mark over here. 6 is a common factor of 42 and 60. Yes, 6 is a common factor of 42 and 60, right? So because 6 into 7 is 42 and 6 into 10 is 60. So yes, this statement is also correct. And the last statement, 6 is the highest common factor of 24 and 36. Now I'll have to check what is the HCF of 24 and 36. So let me check HCF of 24 and 36. For that, I'm using this division method. So I'll divide the bigger number by the smaller number. So 36 I'm dividing by 24. So 24 into 1 is 24. Remainder is 12. Now this 12 will be the new divisor and the old divisor will become the dividend. So 24 divided by 12. Now that will work out to 2. 12 2s are 24. And I get the remainder as 0. Once I get the remainder 0, the last divisor has to be the HCF. So last divisor is 12. So HCF is 12. And this statement says that 6 is the highest common of 24 and 36. So no. So this statement is also wrong. 6 is not the highest common factor of 24 and 36. 12 is the highest common factor. So here also I'm not going to put any tick mark. So that was question number 16. Coming to question number 17. Now here he is showing you a triangular prism. So can you see this is a triangular prism and you have to draw accurately a net of this prism. Okay. And the base of the net diagram is already given over here. So this is the base given to you, isn't it? So you have to draw the net. Okay. Now see, net is what you know. Net is a plain paper which on folding, different parts, okay, in a particular way should give you this object. Okay, that is known as a net, right? So you have to draw the net for this particular prism. So this is the 3D object and the net diagram for this object you have to draw and the base has been drawn for you. So this is the base given, right? So can you see this base? You know, this is 3 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter base, right? I think this is the base, right? 3 by 2.5. Oh, no, this is the base 2. See, let us decode it. Uh, this is 3, okay? That is this length, okay? Now you know there are 1 and then 2 and then 3 rectangles. There are 3 rectangular faces which has this 3 centimeter, okay? So this 3 centimeter, you know, can be taken as okay, let me tell you how to do this. Okay, now I think it will be better if you take the base not vertical but horizontal. Okay, so let me try that. Instead of vertical I will take horizontal base, right? So should I draw it? I don't have space, right? Okay, so I'm not doing that here, only I have to do it. Okay, so this is 3 centimeter ka this thing, okay, base, right? And this is given to you. Now let us decode it. Now if this is 3 centimeter, so how many boxes are there in 3 centimeter? Let us see here. 1 second. uh, this is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 boxes. So 6 boxes is 3 centimeter. Okay, so let me write that 6 box is equal to 3 centimeter. So 1 centimeter will be, say, 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 6 divided by 3 will be 2. So 2 box is representing 1 centimeter, right? So this is 6 box, so 3 centimeter, and this is 1, 2, 3 and 4 box. So 4 box will represent how many centimeter? 2 centimeter. 2 boxes 1 centimeter, so 4 box will be, so this is 2 centimeter. Got it? So this is a 3 by 2 ka base, right? So we got this base 3 by 2, isn't it? Now this 3 by 2 we have got. Now this has to be again connected with this 2.5. Okay, so 2.5 centimeters should be how many boxes? So 2.5 centimeters should be 5 boxes, isn't it? 2.5 centimeters. So from here, if I take 1 2 3 4 and 5 boxes, okay, see 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 and 5 boxes. So till here if I come, this will be 2.5. So let me draw that. Yeah, this is 5 boxes have come on this side. Okay. This is 2.5, right? Again, I'll draw on the top also. 5 boxes, isn't it? Fine. Now again, let me draw a line like this. Oh, it's okay. Okay, fine. Okay. So this happens to be now 2.5 and this is 3. Okay. Now one more, let me take this face. Okay, so it has to be 1.5. So 1.5 centimeter means how many boxes? It should be 3 boxes, isn't it? So from here I'll take 1 2 and 3 boxes. So let me take that 1 2 and 3 boxes, right? That's it. And one more 1 2 and 3 boxes. Okay, right? So this is now this is 1.5. Okay, This is 1.5, this is 2, this is 2.5. And again, let me join this to make it complete. Okay. So this is 3. Okay. This is all 3. So this is the net diagram, but still one more thing is remaining. The two opposite triangular faces are remaining. Now this faces has to be 2.5 by this. Okay. So what I can do is, this is 1.5. So 1.5 is how many? 1.5 centimeter is equal to 3 boxes, isn't it? Right. So from here again, I'm going to take 3 box to show 1.5. So 1, 2, and 3 boxes from here. So, right. And again, 3 boxes from here. No. This is 3 boxes. 1, 2, and 3 boxes. Let me draw straight away. It will be 1, 2, and 3 boxes like this, and from here it will be 1, 2, and 3 boxes like this. And this is 2.5. Okay, so this will be 2.5. Right. This will be 2.5. This is 1.5. Right. So this is the net diagram that we have completed. Okay, so when you fold this particular net, when you fold this paper, you will definitely get this particular object. So this is how we have to draw the net diagram. Now let us come to question number 18. Question number 18 says that Sandra takes an 80-mile train journey from Wellington to Palmerston North. Now change the distance to kilometer. Fine. So you should know what is the relation between mile and kilometer. So 1 mile is equal to 8 upon 5 kilometer. This is the relation we know. So 80 mile will be how many kilometer, isn't it? 80 mile. So this is a straight forward unitary method. So 80 into 8.5 will be the answer. 80 into 8 upon 5 will be the answer. Now this works out to 8 8s are 64, 640 divided by 5, and 640 divided by 5 should work out to 128. So the answer will be 128 kilometer. Okay. Now that was question number 18. Let us work out question number 19. He's saying here, write a single fraction. So here in these 3 fractions, all the denominators are same. So you can take the LCM as x only. And because the denominator are same, you can do the addition subtraction of this numerator. So 2 plus 7, 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. So it will be 8 upon x. The answer for this is 8 upon x. Right? Now for this, the denominator are not the same. Okay, here it is 2, here it is m. So what you have to do is you use cross multiplication. M into 1 will be m, plus 2 into 2 will be 2t, whole divided by 2 into m will be 2m. So this should be our answer. So the answer will be m plus 2t upon 2m. That's the answer. Right? And 20th question, today's last question. Okay, he says that uh, Gemma can pay for a book either in dollars or euros. So for this book, the list price is given both in dollars and in euros. In dollars, it is $8.10. In euros, it is 5.70 euros. Now, Gemma wants to pay the lower amount for this book. So, should she pay in dollars or should she pay in euros? That is the question. And the exchange rate is given over here. $1 is equal to 0.72 euro. So you'll have to do some working and come to the conclusion. Okay. So what I'll do is using this relationship, that is $1 is equal to 0.72 euro, this relationship, what I'll do, I'll convert this $8.10, the list price, okay, of the book, into euro. So $8.10, if I want to convert it into euro, then it will be 8.10 into 0.72, which works out to 5.832 euros. So $8.10 is same as 5.832 euros, right? So that is one thing. Okay. Now what I'll do is, now I will try to convert this euros into dollar. So I have this relationship, $1 is equal to 0.72 euros. So now the let us see this 5.70 euros, the book list price of the book. That works out to how many dollars? So 5.70 euros will work out to 5.70 upon 0.72. That will work out to $7.92. Okay. So the book cost, the cost of the book in euros and dollars is given to you. Now you have to decide which one you will go for, euros or dollars. So see, 5.70 is less than the 5.83. Okay, so if you buy at the list price given in euros, you will be paying lesser amount. 5.70 is less than 5.83. Okay, so this is preferable. Now let us check what happens if you pay in dollar. If you pay in dollars, $8.10 is the list price of the book, and that is greater than 7.92. If you convert it and calculate in dollars, it is 7.92. But 8.10 is greater than 7.92. So here you will be paying more. If you are paying in dollars, you will be paying a little bit extra. So don't go for this. Go for this. So your answer should be, which currency gamma should pay? So the answer will be euros. And what is your working? This is the working shown over here. So that was question number 20 and today's last question. So in this today's session, I have solved 10 questions from question number 11 to question number 20. In the next session, I will be continuing from question number 21. And in this paper, I think there are 28 questions in all. So in the next session, we'll be doing 8 more questions and we'll wind up this paper. That was all for today's session. That's all for today. And if you happen to like my video, please subscribe my channel. And that's all. Bye. Take care, all of you.